Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So as today, Oppo has announced its new smartphone series in China known as Oppo Reno 11 and Oppo Reno 11 Pro. So guys, today in this video, we are going to talk about the Oppo Reno 11 Pro. And I will tell you its specifications, price and more, and lastly I will share my opinion about this handset in last of this video. So be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, then click that subscribe button and then press the bell notification button so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started, guys. So Oppo Reno 11 Pro comes with 6.7 inches Full HD Plus OLED display. This is 1.5K display and comes with the curved design, and also comes with 1600 nits of peak brightness, and comes with 120 Hz rate of refresh rate and 240 Hz of touch sampling rate, and also comes with PWM dimming. And now coming to the processor. This handset comes with 3 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. This is 4nm based chipset and comes with the Adreno 730 GPU. Now coming to the RAM and ROM, guys. This handset comes with two different variants: 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, and same 12GB RAM with 512GB of internal storage, and microSD card slot is expandable up to 512GB. Now coming to the Android version, this handset comes with Android 14 out of the box with ColorOS 14 on the top. Now guys, let's move on to the 5G support. This handset comes with dual SIM with 5G support. Now coming to the cameras, guys. This handset comes with a triple rear setup. So first sensor here is a 50 megapixel Sony sensor which comes with aperture f1.7, and second one is a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and last one is a 32 MP telephoto lens. Now coming to the front, this handset comes with single 32 megapixel of RGBM front camera, which is Sony sensor. Now coming to the battery, guys, this handset comes with 4700 mAh of battery capacity with 80 watt of fast charging support. So now coming to the sensors, this handset comes with in-display fingerprint sensor and also comes with infrared sensor and face unlock as well. Now guys, let's move on to the pricing. So starting price for 12 to 56GB variant is $493 which is roughly around 41,999 Indian rupees. Now let's jump to the conclusion, my opinion. Guys, I would say in terms of camera department, on paper handset is looking really good, but I will make a review video on this handset when this handset gets launched in India. So till then, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, just drop your questions in the comment section below, guys, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you, guys.